It is Monday, March 18th. Lazy cat day. Lazy cats. Look at this. Ridiculous. Yes, I'm talking about you, monkey. So lazy. Lounging in the sun. Look at that. Look at Ollie. He looks like he's going to fall off his bed. We just ran our 3 bins to the post office. Got some more empty bins for the week. Back to work while the cats take a cat nap. I would like to take a nap, but too much to do. I just noticed how bad my cabinets look. You see, it's dusty and it's empty. So what I'm doing is I'm emptying out this cabinet. I just have a couple precious moments left. And then you can see I already emptied out that cabinet. So these 2 cabinets are going to be moved to the basement. And then I am going to empty out that cabinet. And then all this furniture is being moved out of this room. So we are turning this room into an office. So my goal this week is to get everything out of this room. And then Robert will rip up the carpet and the tile. And we're going to put a wood floor down. And then we're going to put a door over there. Put a glass door or a sliding door, something right here. And turn this into Robert's office. The cats we'll leave that there so they have their sun window or whatever you call it. But yeah, we don't ever use this room. A lot of this Disney stuff I'm putting upstairs in the loft. I think when it's all said and done, that cabinet will go back in here, but it won't have as much stuff in it. Most of that stuff in there is stuff from his mom owned. Belongings of his mom. His mom passed away in 2012. So a lot of that is her stuff, and I will just figure out where to display it elsewhere. So yeah, that's why all these cabinets are dusty, because I just haven't cared, because I know we are redoing this room. This is the nightmare that is my backyard. For whatever reason, this year I have 1,000,000,001 of these to clean up, and there's still more that haven't fallen. I don't remember being this bad last year, so lots and lots of work to do. I could totally pay my lawn service guy to do this, but I'm going to try to do it myself first before I get burned out. It's good exercise. It's Wednesday, March 20th, and I'm going to be a nosy neighbor and walk down to the block. Oh, they're leaving already? That's boring. I was raking the yard. That's my yard. And 2 fire trucks went by. That one right there. Blocking the apartment over here. I was just being nosy, seeing what's going on. So, took my packages to the post office earlier. And then I went to the grocery store to pick up. I'm going to make Salisbury steak as one of my new recipes. I've never made Salisbury steak before. I'm trying to make like 2 new recipes every week, so it is Salisbury steak. I was slow to the party. Seriously, like these fire trucks were like 2 minutes ago, and they're already gone. I guess it's a false alarm. I don't see anything. But anyway, so if you watched my weekend vlog, I had talked about how I had someone who bought a plush, and they were complaining about like 2 small flaws that I didn't notice, and I said return it, I'll pay for the return shipping, my fault. And then, but apparently this plush, they don't make them anymore, so she really wanted to keep it. She's like, can you do a partial discount? And I'm like, okay, what do you want? And she's like, $8, and I'm like, okay, I can do that. Because I would have had to pay for the return shipping, which was priorities, $8, and then I'd had to have refunded her original priority shipping, which was $8. So I would have lost $16 if she returned the item. And by giving her that $8 refund, I still made $20. So he's leaving, so it was no accident. I don't know what it was, false alarm. Anyway, so I returned. I refunded her the $8, sent her a note, and then a day later, where's my refund? I'm like, oh my god, check your PayPal account, it's there, trust me. So that was anticlimactic. I know, I'm that terrible train wreck watching neighbor. I know, I'm terrible. But nothing happened. The stop sign right here, like, people roll through it all day long. No one knows how to stop. It's crazy. Alright. Nothing happened. They're leaving. How boring. That means I gotta go rake some more. And other than that lady that I did the partial refund, that's the excitement of my week. Sales have been really good. Not complaining about that. But they are a little slower because it is spring break, and I do notice that people don't buy as much when they're on spring break. But I also notice my Disney themed items sell more because I saw some Disney stuff that people take with them on Disney trips, and now is the popular time to go to Disney. So I do notice an increase in my Disney themed sales. So yeah, I don't know, I think I mentioned it before. If you can ever find good Disney stuff at a cheap price. Oh, I think I just felt a raindrop. Yay, I guess I just got out of raking. I did do one bag. Anyway, Disney stuff. But you have to be picky because there is so much Disney stuff out there. Like Mickey plush, unless it's like limited special, I don't pick up Mickey because there's a gazillion Mickey plushes out there. But like unique ones, like characters from like smaller movies, like the characters from Wreck-It Ralph sell really well, and like the characters from Jungle Book sell really well. It's just the Fab Five, Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, Donald, and Pluto. There's just so much plush out there that it has to be really unique for that to be worth it. But any other Disney plush that seems obscure to you sells really well. And I have a pretty good selling Disney stuff. So I'm really enjoying this walk. But it's cold, and it's getting colder. So anyway, I'm gonna fill up one more bag of leaves, and then make some Salisbury steak, and get back to work. Alright, I just hooked up our Roomba for the first time. We've had it like for the last 6 months. I just hooked it up. Ollie sees it for the first time. He's staring at it. What is he gonna do? Oh, Monkey don't like the sound of vacuums, so I'm not for sure what Monkey's gonna do. Monkey's staring too. Oh, it's going into the dining room. There has a sensor where you can block it. Okay, now it's coming back. It has a sensor where you can keep it from going from certain rooms, but it's only got like one sensor. So I blocked it from the kitchen. But on the other hand, it could find that way, so I don't know what it's doing. Alright, Monkey's walking towards it to see what's going on. Sunny's like, I'm not moving. I got my lap. I'm happy. Blues won. Alright, these cats are inching forward towards the... Robert, I wish you could see this. Both Monkey and Ollie are like watching it as it cleans the formal dining room. Come back in here so I can see what... Okay. Monkey's like, forget it. Or did it go in the other way? Monkey's no longer interested. Where is it at? Is it stuck? No, it's clean. It's just going around. Fascinating. It's kind of loud. It's a little louder than I was expecting. I guess it's to be expected because it's a robot motor, but I didn't think it was going to be that loud. It's Friday. We just got a shipment of packing peanuts in. Don't think we're going to be running out of packing peanuts for a while. Yeah, we usually buy from Supply Hut, but it was going to take a week. That's the pink ones. And so then the white ones are from a different company, and we've been getting like a small one every day. I prefer Supply Hut. It's just they didn't have like 1-day shipping. Like whoever, does this one even say? I don't even know who he got it from. Shipping Warehouse. So, yeah, that's a lot, but we do ship a lot of breakables, so this should last a couple months. benefits from working from home. We gotta walk in the afternoon when everyone else is at work. So that's an itty bitty train track. There's a train collector club right here. See those little train tracks? What would you call it? Like a club?
Yeah.
And then they run them on weekends and kids can ride it and stuff. And it goes up here.
It's a long track.
It's a long track. It's pretty cool. And then it's this park. This is a trail that goes along. What river is it? Honey, the Missouri or the Mississippi?
Neither.
Neither. The Merrimack. Maybe that's why it's called the Merrimack Greenway.
There you go.
It's Friday. Not always the brightest tool in the shed. Brightest tool in the shed.
That ain't right either.
Oh my god, I need an afternoon nap. Brightest
You
light
all right?
bulb.
You have a stroke?
Okay, I give up.
You okay?
I did. I feel like maybe I did have a stroke.
You're starting to freak me out a little bit over here.
Anyway, it's Friday afternoon. We worked all morning. I went to the post office.
Morning, afternoon.
All afternoon. And now we're gonna enjoy the nice weather. This is one of the first days of really nice weather in a long time. And I'm trying to think if there's any interesting stories I have to share for the week, and I really don't. So I'm gonna end my weekly vlog on this trail of the Merrimack. And yeah, this is why I like working from home. Because if I was at my 9 to 5, I'd still be at work and get home really late, and I wouldn't feel like walking. Barely feel like eating dinner half the time. But now I get to enjoy the beautiful outdoors, and I hope this holds out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.